This literature kit on the crossover by Kwame Alexander allows students to have a better connection with the story that they are reading. 55 pages chocked full of a variety of scaffolding strategies incorporated in our Before You Read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Answer statements about Josh and Jordan as true or false. Put yourself in the twins' shoes and imagine ways to stay focused when trying to concentrate. Pretend to be one of the characters and write a first-hand account about a medical emergency that occurs. Find synonyms to key vocabulary words used in the chapters. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as researching foods that are heart-healthy and displaying the information in a chart or diagram. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Complete a Tanka poem, taking inspiration from the novel. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.